AI can handle conversations for you, but understanding what it's doing is just as important. In this video, I'll show you how to use agent logs inside of Conversation AI to review messages, actions, and decisions behind every interaction. For example, instead of only seeing the final reply sent to a lead, you can see exactly how the AI arrived at that response step by step. Let's take a look at how it works. Inside your HighLevel sub-account, come over to AI agents on the left-hand side, and then make your way up to agent logs. This gives you a central view of all Conversation AI activities. From here, you can review sessions, contacts, metrics, and log details all in one place. Under sessions, there are many things that we can filter by. Right next to that, we have contacts, and then next to that, we have the metrics. We can see data from things like conversations handled, average response times, top actions, the conversations over time, average message per conversation, and a bunch more useful insights. If we make our way back up to sessions and then click on one of the sessions that happened, on the left-hand side, we will see the agent conversation view, and on the right-hand side, we will see the execution timeline. Agent logs acts as a transparency layer for your AI, showing exactly what happened during each interaction. On the right-hand side here, we can refresh the log, adjust the auto refresh, see the total amount of tokens used, and copy the log ID. And that's how you can use agent logs inside of HighLevel to review, understand, and improve Conversation AI interactions. If you want to learn more about this feature and others like it, head over to the Content Army YouTube playlist, the help docs, or the Did You Know blog. Links are down in the description. That's it for this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.